61% gain, 71% win trade. FX crack for just $20. Welcome to a Profit Zone. Today we're reviewing the MOHO Turbo for MT4. It trades 6 pairs operating on the M1 chart. MOHO Turbo uses scalping logic to capture micro trends. The minimum deposit recommendation is $1,000, suitable for covering the scalping frequency and margin needs. From verified results, MOHO Turbo has delivered a 61% gain, with a 71% win rate. The EA continues to run live, providing transparency into its ongoing trading performance. This premium system is usually priced at $359, but through FX Crack, it's available for just $20.
Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research and manage your risk wisely.